What is this, honey?
Hungary.
Hungary. Good job. How about this one?
It's the sweet one.
Yeah. What is this? What flight is this? Can you remember? Can you remember? What flight is this?
Germany.
Germany. Good job. How about this one? How about this one? How about this one?
This stuff is Anne.
Yeah.
Another one.
Good job. How about this one? How about this one? What is it?
Chad.
Chad. Good job. How about this one? Can you remember? How about this one? What is it?
Italy.
Good job. How about this one? How about this one?
France.
Good job, France. How about this one? How about this one? Huh? Yeah, how about this one?
Here.
No, not this one. You turn around this one.
Here is pink, white, red.
Yeah, but it's this one. Black, yellow, red. What is it?
Belgium.
Good job, Belgium. How about this one?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Good job. How about this one?
Ireland.
Ireland. Good job. How about this one?
Here is pink.
I know. But it's red and yellow star. What is this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Good job. How about the whole green? What is it? I know. You painted with there's a hole. So what is this?
A hole here.
I know. Ooh, bless you. What country is this?
Libya.
Libya. Good job. How about this one? Remember? How about this one? Ooh? No. How about this one? How about this one?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Good job. How about this one?
No.
No. How about this one?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. The last one. Ooh, no. How about this one?
Japan.
Japan. Good job, honey.